Hey guys, welcome back to the Devlog series. This week I'm not going to be doing the same as what I do normally. I'm going to show off what I've done this week on my game, and then starting next week I'm going to start doing a new type of video where I'll be recording for like 100 minutes and then fast forwarding that video and reviewing what I've done, like explaining what happened. So I'm going to be showing you off more of my actual game itself and less of me sitting on the couch talking, because as Reeve requested a few times in the comments section. So I'm going to chuck you over to this screen here and you'll start seeing everything. So 3, 2, 1. So I'm back over here now. So basically, I decided to start recording this way because I've been making this game for a few months now, but I haven't really got much done because I've been quite busy. So I've pretty much decided I'm going to start recording every day, doing 100 minutes a day, and I'm going to speed these videos up into just 10-minute videos that I'll upload to YouTube and then give commentary on what I did during that video. So I'll do, like, show the video fast forward, explain what's happening, and hopefully you guys will understand. I think it's a better way of doing it because that way you can actually see my game getting made. You can see things changing. So I'm just going to show you what I've done so far and where I'm currently up to and what I did last week. Sorry about the yelling outside. Okay, let's just see how we go. Normally this would not be recorded live, it will be in fast forward, but this is my first video and I'm just showing what I did last week, so it's kind of different. But next week you'll see the change in video. What I did last week, I got pretty much all these here done. You see these? Got different landings, 4 different kind of landings, a falling and a jumping. I've been setting up falling, landing, jumping. I've also been working on fixing the stuff that wasn't working before. I had a lot of stuff wrong with it, but I'll show you what's currently working now. Let's go. Start. So I can still look around now. Obviously the mouse is back. I need to fix that. I can still walk though. I've added in sprinting. It's kind of glitchy with the sword going through you still. I've also added in falling from different heights. So if I fall from short height, I sort of land a different way each time. If I fall from a higher height, okay, that was the same landing. But let's try somewhere else higher. If I fall from up here, let's do the same thing. Hang on. If I fall from up here, that's a bit of harder landing. It does get different. Hang on. If I fall from up here, he falls down on all fours. And then if I fall from up here, so there's a roll landing. If he falls from a really, really short distance, like that here, he doesn't do any landing, he just casually walks off of it. Yeah. So different landings. Also, if he's sprinting and he falls off something, he'll always do a roll landing. I need to fix up the speeds of falling though, but yeah, if he sprints and falls, he'll roll. Alright, the other thing I added was jumping, which is spacebar currently. Really, really dodgy and glitchy, but there's 2 different kinds of jumping. There's a straight vertical jump, and you work the animation a bit more, but you just go up. And then there's the forward jump, where you sort of does like a leap. Yeah, I can jump on top of these boxes now. Except for I have this problem that happens occasionally. If I land on like right on the corner of something, I don't know if I can show you the mouse. Where's the mouse? There it is. Alright, there's a red line that shows where he's currently falling from. It's gone off the edge, so he's falling, but his capsule collider is still sitting on the edge, so he's not falling. He just sort of gets stuck there. It's happened a few times. Usually we're sprinting off the edge of something. Would show you, but I want to show you jumping working first. Jump. Jump. Yes, I can jump on top of stuff. Alright. Usually the glitch where you like get stuck happens if you're walking along an edge like this. Oh, not that time, but there. And that time it came off, but usually it just gets stuck there. It's kind of annoying. So what I'm thinking about doing is putting a second red line. So I got this main red line down the middle, does the detection, and then I put a second red line slightly off center, and another so I have the main one in the middle, and then like a red line. This is looking from top view, looking down at the character. Got the main one in the middle, then I have one there, one there, one there, and one there. So it's got 4 extra sensors, just on the edge of the capsule colliders. And if it's still detecting ground, then I'll probably make it that he's not falling, he's just walking still, or maybe he'll just add more force in the opposite direction of that, so you like push off, or something similar to that, because the way I've set this up, the rigid body doesn't work. It's all set up by force, if that makes sense, because I'm going by animation-based movement, not rigid body-based movement. Kind of bad explaining, but anyway, I'll show you the scripts that I've got. Because I've been redoing everything, I've now got these new scripts here: player character input, and player character movement, which are basically input handler and some other things, but I've just sort of cropped them all together. This is my stuff. This is how everything's working. The movement script's got a bunch of handle things, so handle rolling, handle folding, handling speeds, rotation, movement. I tried to keep it all pretty organized. So handle movement, this is how he moves. And rotation, that's just how he rotates. And handle speed, just determines what speed he's going based on what state he's in. Handle falling is just if he's falling, we'll run all this. It's quite a big code for falling. It also picks up different landings here. And I do plan on adding a ragdoll effect. If you fall from too high up, you'll just go into ragdoll and then probably pancake when he hits the ground. Yeah. And rolling, nice and short, easy, simple. Jumping. Jumping I'm still working on currently, obviously, because the animations were quite bad. Yeah, but this is the jumping. Just gotta fix that. And most of these ones I haven't actually set up yet. Sprinting I need to fix, because currently sprinting is getting set up somewhere else and not in the handle sprinting. Blocking, not sure if I got that going yet. I think I did. Anyway, the input system is all using the new input system now. I think I explained that in one of my other videos, but it is a lot cleaner. Character is now the state manager. So all these states are getting called from inside the characters. And now I've also got player character, which I haven't set up yet. There's an NPC character, which is just based off of character itself, but they'll be slightly different. NPCs will have they won't rely on input, whereas player characters going to be relying more on input systems. So yeah, all that done. Cool. Not a big messy looking animator. I think that's all I did this week. So currently the things that aren't working that I need to refix. If I show you guys. None of these boxes are working because interactable object script stuff, I need to rework all that. That's currently not working, which is kind of annoying. Also, I think I need to fix the camera going through walls. Yeah, that's got to get fixed. And these guys are still not doing anything. Also, lock-on's not working anymore. I need to fix that as well. Inventory doesn't open anymore. There's a lot of stuff I need to refix, but once all this is working again, it should be cool. Shouldn't be too hard to work. Once I start doing this daily recording thing, 100 minutes, I could probably work on each one of these and try fixing each of them. Right, guys, it's just gonna spin around forever, and that's probably all I need to show you guys. So, we got rolling still working. Locking's not working. There's not really too many errors down here, but there is a few things that need to be fixed. I guess that's about it. So basically in the next video, I will start daily 100-minute videos. I'll start doing them next week, starting with Monday. That way I also get a bit far ahead of myself, because right now I'm just sort of recording and then posting on the same week, and everything's just sort of getting a little too much to handle at once type thing. So if I'm doing it this way, I got 5 days worth of recording. I record 100 minutes here, 100 minutes here, 100 minutes here, 100 minutes here, 100 minutes here. And then on the weekend, I can post Monday's one, but fast forward it down to 10 minutes. just to show you guys what I did on Monday. That way I'm like 5 days ahead of myself, so if I'm busy on one of the weekends, I can just upload one of the other ones instead of like skipping a week. I think I had a holiday a while ago, and that sort of, I didn't have anything to post on that holiday day. So if I do it this way, I'll still have something to post. Yeah, I'll see you back over in this other camera over here, because it's got a better microphone than this thing. But yeah, I'm back again. I'll be interested to see how this next week will go with this new type of recording. Hopefully you guys like it more than the last type of recording I was doing. I'll try to get a microphone, because that webcam microphone is terrible. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and probably also share it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you all next week with the new 100-minute video things, which was shortened down to 10 minutes. Yeah, I'll see you all next week. Bye.